So one task I need to get done is I need to remove this old concrete pad in order to be in line with my drainage calculations. So I need to open this area up to be permeable and then have all this concrete hauled away. So the plan right now is to break it up with the backhoe and then get one or more debris boxes from the local concrete yard to get it hauled away. And as far as I know, there's no rebar in it, so it's pretty easy to break up, but some of these things may be like, this looks like a kind of a thick footing. Hopefully it'll break up. This section doesn't have very many cracks, which has me worried that it might be thick. This area is where I had been parking the backhoe for a while, and just parking the backhoe here had cracked a lot of this area pretty badly, so I'm hoping this is pretty easy to haul away. This area, this looks like a thick, big, heavy-duty thing, and I don't know, we'll see what happens there. But you know, there's a lot of just mishmash of a palimpsest of concrete foundations, I would say. And so yeah, again, this was an old barn that had been here, that had been added on to over the years, and none of it was left other than the concrete when we bought the property. But this needs to be broken up and hauled away. So this took about 15 minutes with the backhoe. So this big footing here, I had to lift about 10 feet in the air with the backhoe and drop it, and I was able to break it in two. I'm going to try and move these pieces around with the small tractor, but the small tractor can only handle about 900 pounds. So hopefully we'll see how that goes. But I mean, so far, I mean, the only one I'm really worried about is this big chunk right here. But so far, no rebar, and they're breaking up pretty easily. And like, in this pad here only looks 2 inches thick, maybe 2.5 inches thick. Let's see. Ah, 2.5 inches. So should go pretty quickly. So the concrete debris box is a lot smaller than I was hoping. I guess it gets pretty heavy when it gets loaded up. So this debris box filled up awfully quickly. I got it filled in about a day, maybe 4 or 5 hours of work. And I didn't even get to, well, like I have a pile here. It still needs to go. And, you know, I have multiple piles of concrete debris around the property. And I still didn't finish this half. I still have debris here. I didn't even start on the half over here. But so far, all this stuff breaks up very easily. So what I've been doing is I use the pallet forks on the small tractor to pick up these pieces, and then I'll put them on these paver bricks so I can brush them off and then pick them up without picking up dirt, and then I put them in. But yeah, at least one, maybe two more debris boxes to go.